2012 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, airbags, automatic transmission, driver airbag, Bluetooth, trip computer, heated driver's seat, remote power door locks, fog lamps, compass, passenger airbag, power windows, leather seats, tachometer, heads-up display, heated passenger seat, privacy glass. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.